Hello, I'm Jake,
And I'm Dad.
and welcome to Family Garage.
What are we going to be doing today?
Fixing the handle on that door with that thingy on it.
Yep.
I don't know.
We're actually going to be fixing the door in between the garage and the house, right?
Yeah,
We
we're
have to-
actually fixing the garage.
We're actually fixing the garage on Family Garage.
Yeah.
Yep. We have to replace the handle and the deadbolt on it.
Can I show them the other handle?
Sure. That's what we're replacing it with. Just some standard handle, deadbolt that we got from Menards. There you go. Yep. Do you remember why we have to replace this?
Yeah.
What happened?
Because we were coming back from somewhere and we opened the garage, then we tried to open that door and then we couldn't open it. Then he took a tool and twisted it all the way around until it opened, so it's broken right now.
Yep. So today we're going to replace them, right?
Yeah.
All right. Ready?
Yeah.
Let's go show them what's in that box.
Can I open it?
Yep.
Look at that tiny spider. Real tiny spider. I can make a move.
There he is.
It's time to open it. Now, on one. Here's the part what locks it. And the handle. And there's something else heavy in there. Nah, why are you rolling away? And one more package to open. Oh, there's the keys. Screws. And I don't know what this part is, but then yeah, there's the other half of it. And what is this? And these things. And this. And the inscriptions. I don't know what this is. No, it's the door made that noise.
All right. Should we get started?
Yep.
All right. Let's go.
Step right into it.
And Dad,
Yes.
this goes on this thing.
Yes.
This does.
Okay. Let's get started.
Okay.
Okay. You want to be in the video too, Luke? Okay.
I'm gonna guide in the video.
This is the handle and lock that we're placing.
All right. Show them what our system is for keeping it closed since it's broke.
This.
What do we got?
Uh.
Got a
something-
bungee cord
Yeah.
hooked to the handle.
This is why I don't like it. It's because of that.
So we got a bungee cord.
Yeah.
A bungee cord hooked to a handle.
Yeah.
It goes all the way over here and hooked to our workbench.
Do you wanna?
So we're gonna get rid of that, aren't we?
You wanna know the thing I don't like about it? It's because we have to go like that.
Yes. All right, you ready to get started?
Yeah.
Luke, please put the parts down.
That's hard. Now we have to unscrew it from the inside
Why is that?
because the screws are on this side. Because we don't want people taking a screwdriver, undoing this, and undoing this, and then to open the door.
You ready to go to the inside, Luke?
Yeah.
Whoa.
I'm looking at the camera. We're gonna unscrew the door handle
Where are those screws at?
right here and here and here and here.
Your head.
See if that comes out. There we go. One screw.
Yep.
And then we got another one there on the bottom, huh? You want me to get that one?
Yeah. And I'll do these two. He works on huge machines.
I do, don't I?
Yeah.
There we go.
Okay.
One door handle off.
Yep. Then I'll take the rest off.
Okay.
Whoa. Got one out. Look at that. It's long.
I think we got it.
It's a mess.
All right.
And here's the other screw. I'll put
Let's
that
check
down.
out what we got.
And here's the part.
Hey, look, you want to take this out? We'll pull it out. Yep.
There we go. Can you get those other pieces out of there, Jake?
Yeah.
Don't stab, just pull.
A handle of the door.
Here's Marcus.
So we got both of them out. Let's get the new ones and put them in.
Now can I?
Lucas wants to show us something. What are those?
Keys.
Stop.
It's this side
Yes. How can you tell?
because it has this part on it.
The key?
Yep.
Keep people out?
Yep.
All right. Can you put that in there?
Got this part. I got this part.
Perfect. First try. Now we need those screws.
Can I screw them up?
Let me get them started. Great, guys.
Teamwork.
Teamwork. Go ahead and finish it off, Jake. Okay, go ahead and try them out. Perfect. Give the camera. Okay, tell us what we're gonna do next.
We're gonna get these out of here and put new ones in.
Okay, go ahead.
Ready? YouTube? Got one out. Here's what the screw looks like. I can hold it too.
That one is different.
Hmm.
Oh. We'll just leave the old one on there then. Where is it?
Goes like that.
It's just scratched up. We can take it off and paint it later too if we want. That should be good. Okay, we have our brand new garage door handle. Let's see if it works.
Yep.
That part works. Jake, do you want to try the deadbolt?
And we have it. That's how you replace a door handle and what?
Deadbolt.
And a deadbolt on your door.
Now our garage is all secure and working again, right? All right. I'm Dad.
I'm Jake. And tell your name.
I'm Rick.
Till next time
Till
on
next
Family
time.
Garage. Bye.
Bye.
Uh-oh. Stuck. Ah! He's got me. Can't get out. Skeleton. Ah! Ah!
Get away from my father.
Okay. Should we clean up?